Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about the distance between the parallel planes. So now I want to show you how to answer. So we need to focus on this one. So we know that we have two planes in here. Because two planes they are parallel. So I will find one point on the plane, and now we need to find the distance of this point to this plane, and this point here, that is about the distance of two planes. So I will select about 0 0 0 in here. So we have 8 0 0 and 0 because this point belongs to this plane. And now we have the 8 of the plane B number 1. And this is about B number 1 in here. And the formula that should be like this. So A, B, C, that is about 10, negative number 5, negative number 5. And D, that is about negative number 26. So we calculate this one, and we have 26 over number 5 with the square root of number 6. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.